Hi, I'm Mike Miller. I'm the founder of Trade Factory AI. What I'm really good at is building systems and processes. I took the same systems thinking approach I use in industrial operations and applied it to trading and AI. That became Trade Factory AI. And today, I'm giving you the blueprint. Not pieces of it, not a teaser, not the first 3 modules with the rest behind a paywall. The whole thing. The architecture, the workflows, the AI framework, the folder structure, the review engine, the pre-market engine, the tagging system, the coaching process, the agent architecture, the database schema, the RAG setup, all of it in one document for free. Watch this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Take a screenshot that shows you've done all 4. The YouTube confirmation when you share it, your subscription, whatever shows the actions are complete. Then send email to mike@tradefactoryai.com. Subject line, blueprint request, your name. I'll reply with the file. No purchase, no funnel. You do those 4 things, you email me the proof, I send you the document. Before I go any further, 2 things I'm required to say, and 1 thing I want to say. First, trading is risky. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video, nothing in this blueprint, and nothing in this system is financial advice. This is an educational framework for organizing and analyzing your own trading. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. If you're going to trade, understand the risks. Consult a qualified financial professional if you need guidance. That's not a formality. Second, the blueprint you're receiving is the intellectual property of Trade Factory AI LLC. By accepting it, you're agreeing to the usage terms. The short version, use it, build with it, but you cannot sell it, share it, forward it, or charge anyone for access to it in any form. This document is distributed exclusively by me, directly. If someone you know wants it, send them to this video. They go through the same process. They do not get it from you. Any reproduction or redistribution of this document is strictly prohibited. The full terms are on the first page of the blueprint, and the one thing I want to say, I'm not responsible for what you build with this or what happens when you trade with it. The system is a documentation and analysis framework. It doesn't make trading decisions for you. The results you get are yours, all of them, good and bad. By continuing to watch this video, by emailing me to request the blueprint, and by using it, you are automatically agreeing to all of those terms. No signature required. Continuing forward is your agreement. Okay, let me tell you what you're getting. The Trade Factory AI Blueprint is a complete build specification for a 15-module AI trading system. Every component is documented. What it is, what it does, how it connects to everything else. When you hand this document to Claude and tell it to build the system, Claude creates the whole folder structure for you. All 15 modules, all the routing, all the placeholder files, in one session. You're not building it piece by piece over 6 months. You build the foundation in one session, and then you fill it with your own trading history. Now, before you do anything else, read through the blueprint first. I mean that. Don't just skip to the build command at the bottom. Read it. The whole thing takes maybe 20 to 30 minutes. It explains every module, every layer, what each piece does, and how it connects. If you understand what you're building before you build it, the system makes sense from day one. If you skip straight to the build, you'll have a folder structure with no idea what goes where or why. And here's something I want to say specifically to anyone watching this who has no intention of building it right now. Get the blueprint anyway. Read it, even if you're not ready, even if this feels too big, even if you look at 15 modules and automation layer and think, that's not me right now. Read it anyway. Because what the blueprint actually is, underneath all the modules and the workflows, is an explanation of how a complete AI-powered trading system works. Every piece connected to every other piece. And when you read it, something starts to happen. The dots start connecting. you start to see how documentation feeds analysis, how analysis drives rule changes, how rules shape the next trade, how that trade becomes the next document. The whole loop. Most traders never see that loop clearly. This makes it visible. Will it feel overwhelming the first time you read it? Yes, that's okay. Read it anyway. The second time, it'll make more sense. By the time you're ready to build, whether that's next week or next year, you'll already understand what you're building and why. The blueprint is the education, the build is optional. This system does not require any coding. You're not being asked to write code. Everything runs through Claude conversations and your folder structure. Before you run the build, 2 things you need. First, Claude. Go to Claude.ai. You need at least the Pro plan. That's $20 a month. That's the minimum. For the initial build session, I recommend the $100 plan. The blueprint is a large document, and the build creates a lot of content at once. Once the structure is built, you can drop back to $20 a month. Second, a folder on your computer. Create one called Trade Factory AI. That's where Claude builds everything. Have the path ready when you run the build command. Second, a folder on your computer. Create one called Trade Factory AI. That's where Claude builds everything. Have the path ready when you run the build command. Here's exactly what to do. Go to Claude.ai. Create a new project. Name it Trade Factory AI. Upload the blueprint file and 6 template files I sent you. Make any changes to the templates before. You can always adjust them later. It goes in the project as a reference document. Claude will have access to it in every conversation inside that project. Then open a new session in Claud Code using Sonnet or Opus, plan mode. Add Trade Factory AI folder and paste the build command. The build command is inside the blueprint. It's the last section. You can't miss it. Before you paste it, fill in 2 things inside the command. Your folder path, where on your computer you want everything built, and your answers to the setup questionnaire. The questionnaire is in the blueprint. 10 questions. Answer what you can, skip what you're not ready for. There are no wrong answers here. Now, let me clarify what those questions are actually for, because I don't want you overthinking them. The question about your broker, that's not about connecting your brokerage account on day 1. It's just information. Some brokers, like Interactive Brokers, offer a free news and market data feed through their platform. If you have one of those, you can use it later in the automation phase. If you don't, or if you're not ready for that, write skip for now and move on. The entire system works without any broker API. The question about email sources, we're not scanning your whole inbox. We're asking which specific trading newsletters and alert services you want monitored. Trusted sources only. Things like bar charts, morning email, market beat alerts, earnings whispers. Sources you've deliberately subscribed to for trading intelligence. Not your personal email. Just those specific senders. And if you're not ready to set that up yet, skip it entirely. The pre-market works manually from day 1. When you hit send, Claude does not start building immediately. It reads your questionnaire answers and your folder path, and then it tells you exactly what it's about to create, which email sources it will pre-populate, what broker notes it will include, every customization it's making based on what you told it. Then it stops and asks you to confirm before it touches a single file. Review what it shows you. If something looks off, say so. If you're happy with it, tell it to go ahead. Then it builds the full structure, all 15 modules, all the routing files, all the starter content in one session. It also places your 6 templates into the right folders. The pre-market template into module 02, the daily report card into module 03, the trade write-up into module 04, the weekly, monthly, and annual reviews into modules 05 and 06. After the build, Claude isn't done. First, it walks you through your rules codex. It asks you 3 things: your maximum position size, your daily hard stop number, and 2 behavioral rules you want to start with. You answer in plain language. It writes the file. That document becomes the governing rule set for every trade you evaluate going forward. Then, and this is the part most people don't expect, Claude walks you through each of the 6 templates. It explains what every section is for, what you'll fill in during a live session, and asks you directly, is there anything you want to change? Maybe the grading descriptions don't match how you think about your sessions. Maybe you want to add a section. Maybe you trade different instruments than the defaults. Whatever it is, you tell Claude, it makes the change right there before you walk away. By the time that first conversation ends, the structure is built, the templates are customized to your trading, and your rules codex has your actual numbers in it. You're not starting with a generic system, you're starting with your system. One more thing, the blueprint is the architecture. Your trading history is what makes it work. The system doesn't produce edge by existing. It produces edge by documenting your trading consistently every session. It's a great habit, and great habits, just like bad ones, strengthen with use and time. Document the next session, file your pre-market, file your report card, file 1 trade write-up. That's the whole job on day 1. The system grows from there. Before I close, and this is for a specific group of people, maybe you watch this whole video and your honest reaction is, I love this. I understand exactly what this is. The concept is perfect, but I'm just not doing the AI setup. I hear you, and we thought of that. There is a web version of Trade Factory AI in development. It's probably rolling out in the next 1 to 2 months. If that's you, if you're interested in the web version, send me an email. Same address in the description. Subject line, web version list, your name. I'll put you on the notification list and reach out the moment it's available. Watch the video, like it, share it, subscribe, email me the screenshot. Address is in the description. Subject line, blueprint request, your name. I'll send you the blueprint.